Ja, herzlich willkommen, neue Ausgabe Edelmetallmesse 2016. Neben mir ist Robert Eadie, Starcore. Und Starcore haben wir das letzte Mal gesprochen, ich glaube, auf der PDAC. Robert, thank you to have time. I think the last time we spoke on the PDAC this year. So PDAC is 8 months ago.
Yes.
What's happened?
Well, 2016 was a building year for Starcore. We took out $4.5 million in debt in last November, and I said to everybody it was a building year, which we changed the plant at San Martin to a CIL circuit for carbonaceous ore. That got finished on time and on budget, and we tested last week, and so by next week we'll be up and running with that, and the grade of the material is quite a bit higher than what we've been treating. So I'm very happy with that. The concentrate plant, which is in Altiplano. So if we look at it like our fingers, so we look at the 5 fingers, and that's the easiest way to describe it. First is San Martin, the completion of the CIL plant. Second is Altiplano, the processing plant. So that commissioned beginning of March, so just before PDAC. That's at break even, and by the beginning of the year we should be at probably 70% capacity. So it'll be making money. The land deal, that I announced just after PDAC, we have $2.5 million or $2.6 million on deposit. That should conclude by early next year. That'll put another $7+ million into the bank. And then Creston Moly, which is the Moly project that we bought in bankruptcy, out of bankruptcy for $2 million. So we still have that, but except that we've done the small changes to it, and so that's now in perfect condition to be sold.
Okay.
And then we drilled in Toyabe in Nevada as well, and that we put out the first holes, which we're very happy with, and it's just pending results for the second hole. So I'm very happy with the development of the company in this building year, because it was a very challenging year as a company to build and to grow. And so for 2017, we should get back to the point of putting money into the bank between...
So for me, this sounds like you stand more on more feet. Before, do you have one leg, I must say?
Yeah. Well, when we first met, or so 5 years ago,
it was only the one
San Martin mine.
Yes.
Now we have 8 projects. Yeah. And so...
And interesting why you're coming up with the Moly project. I spoke yesterday with, or this week with some subscriber, and they're coming up, but what's happened with this Moly project? It was a steal, I must say, so they get it really so cheap. And this company alone this project should alone have the same value as the whole company.
Absolutely. It was sold for $193 million 5 years ago.
Yeah.
When the price of moly was much higher, and then they actually invested hard dollars, $60 million plus US. So if we understand the commodities business, which that's what we're in, and I'll underline business. I'm in the mining business. I'm in the business to make money, and if I can make money producing, processing, buying and selling, I'll do it. And so the Moly project, it was at the bottom of the base. We're still in the bottom of the base metals market. But Moly went from $4 to $7. Is it a commodity that's needed? You can speculate all you want. Is it needed? Yes. Is this deposit desirable? Yes. It's got good infrastructure. It's in a good location, a favorable political zone. It's fine. It's great. So will we make money on it? Sure. Show me another business where you can make 7 times or 5 times your money in 3 years, 4 years.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Normally, I would say, it was a perfect end for an interview, but I have some questions. One is, what you're planning for 2017? When you said it was the building year,
well,
then is it the executing year?
Yeah, so it's the executing year, exactly. So go back to San Martin. We just finished rehabilitating the drill department, so we put in a third, it's called a U60 if we want to get technical. We'll drill 18,000 meters as our target at San Martin this year, at a drill cost of $48 per meter, compared to what I pay in Nevada, which is closer to $220, and that's already included in our operating costs of $58 per ton. So 18,000 meters there. We'll go back to Toyabe in Nevada. We'll drill again there, probably 3,000 to 4,000 meters. Hopefully the Moly project will be sold, the land deal will be concluded, and we'll see if we can find something else to buy.
Great.
I'm excited.
Yes.
2017 is
a
great year.
Perfekt. Ich würde sagen, das war jetzt ein perfekter Abschluss, da braucht man nicht wirklich viel dazu sagen. Er hat ja am Finger abgezählt, was er alles plant. Für alle, die das Molyprojekt drauf haben, also das ist nicht vergessen geraten, ganz im Gegenteil. Er plant es sogar zu verkaufen und das zu einem, ja, wie er gesagt hat, wo gibt es schon eine Branche, wo man 3, 4, 5, 7-fache kriegt von dem, was man bezahlt hat. Und wenn man sich dann den Wert der Company anschaut, wo sie jetzt steht, dann muss man ehrlicherweise sagen, ja, die ist viel zu billig. Also ich bin echt gespannt, was da jetzt in nächster Zeit rauskommt. Es kommen auf jeden Fall viele News auch raus, weil viel gebohrt wird. Das könnte, wenn der Goldpreis auch noch wirklich zulegt und der Molypreis auch wirklich zulegt, wirklich dazu führen, dass die Aktie nach oben geht. Es war ein super Interview, hat mir jetzt extrem gefallen, war echt spannend. Das war von Starcore, Robert Eadie, Edelmetallmesse 2016. Tschüss und Baba.
Thanks,
Thank
Joe.
you.
Always a pleasure.
The pleasure is on my side.